Good news! PiCoin finally listed on Coinbase, a major milestone for PiNetwork. In a surprising turn of events that has sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency world, PiCoin has officially been listed on Coinbase, one of the most reputable and widely used cryptocurrency exchanges. This moment marks a significant milestone for the PiNetwork community, which has long anticipated official recognition from a major trading platform. However, what stands out even more is the fact that PiCoin opted for Coinbase rather than Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume. This decision has sparked widespread speculation regarding PiNetwork's strategic direction and the future of its ecosystem. The long road to Coinbase listing. PiNetwork was introduced as a mobile mining cryptocurrency project that allowed users to mine coins through a smartphone application. From the outset, the project garnered massive attention, amassing over 60 million registered users worldwide. Despite its strong community, PiCoin's journey to being listed on a major exchange was not straightforward. Unlike many other cryptocurrency projects, PiNetwork adopted a unique approach by prioritizing ecosystem development before launching the coin into open market trading. The idea was to build real utility and value before making PiCoin available for speculative trading. With the announcement of its listing on Coinbase, many now see this as validation of PiNetwork's long-term strategy. Coinbase is known for its rigorous listing criteria, making this development a significant endorsement of PiCoin's legitimacy and potential. Why Coinbase over Binance? The decision to list on Coinbase rather than Binance has led to various speculations. Several factors could explain why PiNetwork chose Coinbase. Regulatory compliance. Coinbase has built a reputation for strict regulatory adherence. Given the increasing scrutiny of the cryptocurrency industry by global regulators, PiNetwork may have felt more secure working with a platform that maintains high compliance standards across multiple jurisdictions. Focus on adoption and education. Unlike Binance, which primarily targets high-volume traders, Coinbase is known for attracting retail investors and providing educational resources. This means PiCoin could reach a broader audience that values transparency and fundamental project development. Avoiding Binance legal controversies. Binance has faced regulatory challenges in multiple countries, including the United States. By choosing Coinbase, PiNetwork may be seeking to avoid the risks associated with Binance's ongoing legal battles. A different market strategy. Coinbase primarily serves institutional investors and retail traders in the US and Europe, while Binance has a stronger presence in Asia and emerging markets. Listing on Coinbase may be a strategic move to tap into a market with clearer regulations and a more stable investment environment. Impact of the Coinbase listing on PiCoin. The listing of PiCoin on Coinbase is expected to bring several significant changes to the PiNetwork ecosystem and the broader cryptocurrency market. Increased liquidity. With millions of active users, Coinbase provides a highly liquid market for PiCoin, making it easier for users to buy and sell the asset without significant price fluctuations. Potential price surge. Historically, newly listed cryptocurrencies on major exchanges experience an initial price surge due to increased demand. If PiCoin gains traction among investors, its value could see significant upward movement. Greater credibility in the crypto space. Many crypto projects struggle to gain legitimacy due to a lack of exchange support. By securing a spot on Coinbase, PiCoin is likely to be viewed as a more credible and serious asset by the broader crypto community. Institutional interest. Coinbase has a strong network of institutional investors. If PiCoin attracts their attention, large-scale investment could drive substantial market growth for the asset. What's next for PiNetwork? With PiCoin now officially listed on Coinbase, the next phase for PiNetwork will involve scaling its ecosystem and ensuring sustainable growth. Several key challenges still lie ahead. Real-world adoption. To sustain its value beyond speculation, PiNetwork must ensure that PiCoin becomes a viable means of transaction across various businesses and merchants. Infrastructure expansion. With a larger trading volume expected, PiNetwork's blockchain infrastructure must be robust enough to handle increased transaction loads efficiently. Strategic partnerships. To solidify its position in the crypto market, PiNetwork will need to secure partnerships with businesses, payment platforms, and even governments that recognize the potential of its technology. The listing of Pi Coin on Coinbase marks a new era for PiNetwork and its community. It is not merely about gaining recognition from a major exchange, but about positioning itself as a serious player in the cryptocurrency industry. While Binance may not have been part of the initial exchange strategy, the decision to collaborate with Coinbase could prove to be a highly beneficial long-term move. With increased liquidity, market confidence, and adoption potential, the future of PiNetwork looks increasingly promising. However, challenges remain. The project must continue to evolve and provide real-world value to sustain its growth. If successful, PiCoin could become one of the most influential digital assets of the future. For now, the PiNetwork community has a major reason to celebrate. This listing represents a significant step forward in realizing the vision of a decentralized and widely accessible digital currency.